Imagine a world where factories can adapt as quickly as the market demands. That's the promise of Augmentus, a Singapore-based company making waves in the AI robotics space. They've just secured a strategic investment from Applied Ventures, the venture capital arm of Applied Materials Incorporated, and this is a huge step forward for their mission to bring intelligent, autonomous robotics to the complex world of high-mix, high-variability manufacturing. At the core of Augmentus's innovation is their AutoPath robotics stack. Think of it as giving industrial robots both eyes and a brain. This system combines advanced 3D vision with adaptive intelligence, allowing robots to truly see, understand, and act. By generating incredibly detailed point clouds, AutoPath can capture even the most intricate details and surface imperfections. This data is then used to create dynamic, real-time paths, allowing robots to adjust their movements on the fly and maintain accuracy in even the most challenging environments. But here's where it gets interesting. This technology creates a no-code intelligence layer. This means that expert programming and manual robot teaching become things of the past. Robots can be deployed and reconfigured in minutes, not hours or days, transforming them from rigid machines into adaptable collaborators that can learn and respond to the ever-changing demands of real-world production. This is a game-changer for manufacturers, offering unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. As Daryl Lim, co-founder and CEO of Augmentus, puts it, their vision is to enable factories to adapt as quickly as the world changes. With the support of Applied Ventures, they're accelerating toward a future where robots can truly see, understand, and act, bringing agility, precision, and resilience to global manufacturing. Applied Ventures, known for investing in groundbreaking companies in AI, automation, and advanced manufacturing, recognizes the rising importance of adaptive robotics. Abhishek Sud, Senior Investment Director at Applied Ventures, LLC, emphasizes the role of these technologies in driving efficiency and resilience in today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape. So, what does this mean for the future of manufacturing? Augmentus's technology, already deployed in industries like aerospace, automotive, energy, and heavy industries, allows robots to adapt to real-world variability, significantly reducing setup times. What do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI-powered robotics in manufacturing? Do you see any potential challenges or downsides to this technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss the future of automation.